In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Apple Music with Apple Pay. We'll walk through setting Apple Pay as your payment method in settings, then subscribing to Apple Music so your plan is billed through Apple Pay. This is quick, secure, and once it's set, you don't have to think about it again. Start on your iPhone and open the Settings app. At the very top, tap your Apple ID banner. This takes you to your account area. Next, select Payment and Shipping. Here you manage how you pay for Apple services. Tap Add Payment Method. On the list that appears, choose Apple Pay. Availability can vary by region, so if you don't see Apple Pay, it may not be supported in your country or on your current account settings. If Apple Pay is available, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. This usually means confirming your default card and verifying your billing address. If you already use Apple Pay elsewhere on your iPhone, this should be quick. When everything looks correct, tap Done to save your payment method. That confirms Apple Pay is now linked to your Apple ID for purchases and subscriptions. Now let's subscribe to Apple Music. Open the Apple Music app, browse the available plans, and choose the one that fits your needs, such as individual, family, or student, depending on what's offered in your region. Once you've decided, tap Subscribe. You'll be asked to confirm the payment using Apple Pay, approve with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, and if prompted, double-click the side button to confirm. After approval, Apple processes the subscription using Apple Pay. Your Apple Music subscription will be charged through the payment method linked to your Apple Pay account. If you ever change the default card in Apple Pay, future renewals will use that updated card automatically. You can also return to payment and shipping and settings anytime to review or manage your payment details. A couple of quick tips. If Apple Pay doesn't appear as an option, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version and that you're signed in with the correct Apple ID. Regional support and eligibility can affect availability. Also, if you're part of family sharing, remember that the organizer's payment method is used for shared subscriptions unless otherwise specified. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.